Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore the product document in Odoo 90. So basically, this feature is allowing you guys to attach any important document about your product. And it is actually making it easier for your sales team and customers to access information such as user manuals, warranty documents, installation guides, or a product brochure all from a single place. So here in Odoo, it is a significant role while you guys are selling a product. Okay. So let me move on to the sales module first. We need a product to provide the document. For that, I'm selecting acoustic block screen as my example. So once you are there at the dashboard of the product formation, you can find a lot of smart button on the top. And one of them is specified for the documents. And there you can see you can only find that is a zero because there we don't have even uploaded any kind of document about this acoustic block screen. Okay, so if you want to create a new one or upload a new one, what you guys need to do is simply click on an option which is document smart button, and you will get a dashboard like this. You can either upload a file of your product or you can either create one. So I'm going to simply click on the new button. You will get a wizard like this to provide which kind of file that which kind of document that you are going to provide here, which is a file or a URL based. So there you can see you can either upload a file from your computer or copy paste an internet link to your files as well. So you can choose wise. So if I'm putting it as an URL, what will be happening? You can simply provide the URL that is pasted, copy and pasted to here. Or if you're just choosing it as a file, what you need to do is you need to upload a file that is regarding with this particular acoustic block screen. You can also configure the dynamic field, which means configure the path to fill the form fields. And there you can find a section for sales, which means how you are going to provide the visibility option once you guys are selling the product. On the sales, there you can see visible at that you guys can allow to share the document with your customer within a sale, that you can provide it as an hidden. You can leave this as an empty, or you can provide this as on quote, which means the document will be sent to and accessible by the customer at any time. And you can provide this on order confirmation, confirmed order. And there you can also provide this inside a quad PDF as well. So how you are going to provide or put this document on the sales portion, how you are going to visible them. So there you can provide the visibility settings from here itself. Once you guys are done with that, you can save this manually and you will get the document on the smart button once you guys are providing how you going to provide its visible option as well. So let me discard this one because this is a way to provide the document, but here we have a way more easier one, which means you can discard this and I'm going to upload a new file. That's the better option. If you guys are just providing any kind of document of your product, simply click on this option. You will get the PDF files that you have downloaded from anywhere else. So I am selecting the acoustic block screen document and I'm just selecting this one. You can find I just provided the acoustic block screen document from the downloaded area. You now from here itself also you can simply control the visibility settings of your sales, which means if I just want to see this on cart, I can simply set this as cart, and there we have a toggle icon for edit, delete and download as well. So once you guys are done with that, now let me move back to the acoustic block screen, which is our product, and now you can see the document is there, which is one. And let's see an example how it actually works. Simply click on a new quotation and I'm providing the customer name from here itself. Now I want to add the product, it is acoustic block screen, that in a black variant. Let me confirm this one. Once I'm done with that, what I can do is I can save this manually because we have just provided the visibility option on the quotation. If this is a quotation, I can simply click on the preview option. Now you can see on the preview option there we have the document. Okay, so if the customer needs to know about any kind of additional information about your product, what he needs to do is simply click on this document set and they can simply recheck and do any kind of things. So that's how it works, the document or the product document in Odoo 9D. So there we have a way more easier thing, which is you can use Mobo, which is the mobile suite of Odoo. So you don't want to use any of your laptop or computer, or you don't want to go to your company or your organization. What you just need to do is simply download this Mobo from the App Store or the Play Store, and you can simply you can download the document that you need, and you can upload them in a single click using your mobile phone. So please do use them. And once you guys are done with that, yeah, that's all about this video. So I hope you all understood this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another kind of tutorials. Till that, bye bye.